Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm Aleksandra Czajka, founder of ACX Legal Partners, a law firm based in Madrid, dedicated to help international clients operate in Spain. I'm thrilled to be joined today by another Aleksandra Czajka, who is an expert in public procurement at ACX Legal Partners. Together, we will break down the public procurement process in Spain and share strategic advice to enable foreign companies succeed in Spain. Aleksandra, thank you for coming today.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
Before we dive into the main topic today, I would like to tell the audience a little bit more about you. Aleksandra is a Spanish and Polish lawyer. She has practiced law in 3 jurisdictions in Poland, Germany, and Spain mainly. On a personal note, Aleksandra and we share the same name, the same surname, the same profession, and we also come from the same city, from Poznań. However, we met for the first time in Barcelona almost 15 years ago at University Pompeu Fabra, where we both studied. Since then, we've become friends, and Aleksandra has become a top expert in public procurement, so she brings invaluable insights to our discussion today. Aleksandra, we are eager to hear your insights and learn from you how the international foreign companies can enter the Spanish market through public procurement and especially how they can succeed.
Thank you for your warm introduction. I am thrilled to be here today and to discuss a topic that is both complex and full of business opportunities. Let me start off by saying that, in my view, Spain has an attractive public procurement market. Spain has a century-old tradition and history of public tenders. This experience makes the Spanish public procurement system very mature, legally certain, but also flexible at the same time. Moreover, the entire process is fully digital. And the contracts, public contracts, start from the contract value of 15,000 euros, allowing any company to become a bidder and to submit an offer, no matter where the company is located.
Okay, so it seems that the access to the market it's possible,
and especially for foreign companies participating in public tenders could be a good starting point to explore the Spanish market.
Perfect. And for those who has never participated in public procurement in Spain, could you explain us the main concept of the public procurement law and public tenders? How does it work?
Public tender is a formal and transparent procedure by which public sector entities purchase goods, services, or work from suppliers previously selected for this purpose. It ranges from the purchase of routine goods or services up to a large-scale infrastructure project. And this process always ends with a contract to sign and to implement. Those contracts, however, offer numerous advantages that go beyond the traditional commercial contracts. Procurement market offers stable and predictable revenue, always paid on time, which can be especially valuable during uneasy times. Additionally, those contracts usually have longer duration, offering enterprises a longer-term sustainability. Now, navigating the complexities of this open, transparent, and highly competitive procedure may require specialized guidance. And this field is a domain of professionals like myself, public procurement lawyers.
So I understand that any company that fulfills the requirement set by the administration can access the public tender, right? Are the foreign companies subject to any extra requirement or special requirements?
Foreign companies have exactly same rights and obligations that domestic companies. Although it can be required that the tender documents are drafted in Spanish or are accompanied by an official translation, my experience shows that contracting authorities widely accept English documents in order to welcome foreign companies in their tenders, to enable a greater competition that eventually translates into more and better offers.
Sounds great for foreign companies that want to participate. Are there any challenges that foreign companies face when participating in public tenders?
In Spain, like elsewhere, foreign companies can face challenges such as understanding local regulation and practice or navigating language barriers, in particular, grasping tender conditions and requirements. Nowadays, tools for translations, however, make this challenge easier to deal with.
Sure. How are tenders evaluated? What are the typical criteria used to award public contracts?
So, a combination of price and several quality criteria are used to score the bid. Quality and sustainability are always given a priority. This system seeks to ensure that the price is not a decisive element for the contract award. And the entire process is designed to ensure the best value for money rather than going for the cheapest offer. And this basic rule can always be improved on a regional level. In this context, my favorite and flagship example would be the city of Barcelona. According to local laws, the price criteria can weigh no higher than 35%. It means that the contract award depends in 65% or more on elements such as quality or sustainability. It is a great opportunity for companies offering high-quality products or services to be successful in Spain.
So, what advice would you give to companies looking to improve the chances of success in public tender?
I would advise companies to take their time in really understanding the evaluation criteria and to tailor their bids in accordance with the tender needs. A professional offer, down to the very last detail, can significantly enhance success rates.
What happens if a company fails?
This aspect is yet another advantage of the Spanish public procurement system. Claims to the procurement tribunals can be filed at no cost. Moreover, the entire process is fully digital and the tribunals analyze documents only and no hearings are held. This element or this system really makes the appeal procedure time and cost effective. And for my international clients, it has always been particularly important to be able to work on a claim and later submit it on a fully remote basis.
So there is a big progress there in terms of the process.
Oh, indeed.
Can you describe a particularly challenging case that you had to deal with and explain us what made it difficult and how did you approach it?
Oh, digital transformation. Digital transformation of public procurement brings great benefits, but it can always be tricky sometimes. I do still remember and have present those thrilling moments when a tender platform would collapse just right before the deadline for submission.
And what can be done then?
Oh, in such cases, it is important, it is crucial to act quickly and to collect all the evidence of the platform malfunction in order to be able to prove that the technical problems were not on the bidder's side.
Okay, perfect. So you succeeded to do that at that time?
More than once.
Okay, because I imagine it was stressful when you had to deal with that.
Oh, don't ask.
Okay, and finally, how do you see the future of public procurement in Spain?
I see a future where sustainability still plays a central role in public tenders. There will likely be more and more emphasis on green and socially responsible products and services in accordance with the expected reforms of the European directives on public procurement. And when it comes to Spain, it is worth mentioning that contracting authorities are now spending the funds they have received from the New Generation program. The expenses are due by the end of 2026, which means that the upcoming 2 years are the perfect moment to tender for lucrative public contracts financed or co-financed by the EU funds.
Sounds like there will be a lot of opportunities there in Spain in this area.
I see it very clearly.
If you found this conversation interesting and have any further questions, we are here for you. Aleksandra, it was a pleasure to be with you today.
The pleasure was mine. Thank you very much.